I wanted to reach out today and talk to somebody who has like big dreams. You have big goals. You don't want to be remembered because of your title or position, but you want to be remembered in your bloodline for the one who broke the curse off the family. And when you have dreams that are so big and you do not understand how they're going to materialize in this world, the one thing that you can really depend on is what Jesus said, that if you just stay with him, if you abide in him, if you just always focus on the kingdom of God and his righteousness, then any desire that you have in your heart, you will see it. It will be done for you to bring glory back to God. Do you know how excited it is every morning that you wake up in this dimension? How many angels are rejoicing because you are still here? How many ancestors are still praying for you to do the things that you promised that you would do, but you have to hold on to your faith? And I want to tell you something about your enemy, about those around you who tell you just to give up, that that's never going to happen, to throw in the towel, and you don't have this and you don't have that. You don't have this education and you don't have that degree. You don't have this title. You don't have this hookup. I want you to understand this one thing. The reason why the enemy, he campaigns and he goes out to get the votes of people who don't even realize that they're being used by the enemy in your life is because the devil knows that you are capable and that it is already done for you. If you hold on to your thoughts in God, if you hold on to your belief in him, if you hold on to your faith, you will reap a harvest if you faint not. See, the enemy is banking on you fainting so that you won't see the glory of the Lord in your life. I want you to understand the reason why those folks are against you today, the reason why they try to block your blessings today, the reason they speak ill of you today, is because they see the power in you every day. Every day that you wake up, sometimes when you feel like you ain't even got it together, when you wake up and you feel like, oh my God, it's just so much on me. When you wake up and you just going on about your business, I want you to understand that the enemy inside of folks know your power, and they want to make it their business to make sure that you never manifest what God told you to do in this dimension. See, it's many people around you that can sit up and brag and boast about all they have accomplished in their ego mindset, easing God out of everything that they're doing or that they've done. They want to take credit for it all. I want you to understand this, that they may have the titles, they may have the degrees, they may have the influence, they may know a whole lot of people, but the one thing that you got that they ain't got is that wine. Come on, somebody, from on high. That thing about you that causes you to walk up in the room and everybody take notice because they understand that it's the Spirit of the Lord that resides on the inside of you. I know that some people are so loud and growling about their accomplishments. They're so loud. They want to be seen in groups of people. But isn't it something that you just walk into the room and you hush the room? You walk into the room and you demand attention and you don't even understand how you're getting the attention. Baby, it ain't even you that's getting the attention. It's the God on the inside of you that's getting the attention of every demon in hell that's in that room. They can use vessels to be loud. They can use vessels to tell lies. They can use vessels to gossip. They can use vessels to talk against you. But one thing that they can never do, now I want you to hear me today, is stop you from manifesting that thing on the inside of you that you are giving birth to in the spiritual realm first. And if you hold on to your faith, if you hold on to God, if you keep on just planting more word, more seed inside of your heart, then I tell you the truth, baby, if you just hold on to it and you just get excited about it, if you just trust God with it, if you faint not in the process, I can tell you right now that it will manifest for you. Don't you even worry about how. Don't you even worry about when. Don't you even worry about your kin. Don't you even worry about what they're saying. Because I want you to understand that the reason they come up against you and try to block you and keep up chaos in your life is because they see the power, the glory, and the potential on the inside of you, and they don't want you to manifest it. Keep holding on and being strong, because God is working for you. And until the next video, guys, peace, because I still do believe in you. And I'm so glad that you're here. Bye now.